I made a group on social media by the name Homeschooling India. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग थ्रू सोशल मीडिया एंड मैं मुंबई में बेस्ड हूँ, तो फिर मुझे मुंबई से जो मिलने लगे मैं उनसे पर्सनली फोन करके या जाके मिलके मैं उससे इसके बारे में नॉलेज लेने लगा.
Got it.
So I was working and this thing was growing. I was growing my own knowledge about homeschooling, and I was while exploring homeschooling, I came across the facts that I also need to unlearn many things before I start understand what is alternative education, how this homeschooling works.
How was
So then I
how was the
decided.
ecosystem like? How was the people like 3-5 years ago in Mumbai for homeschooling?
I would say there were a lot of parents, those who were homeschooling,
Okay.
but it was in very small clusters. I mean, for example, अगर दादर में कुछ 5-6 parents के group होंगे, so they are very much okay with that group. ठीक है.
Understood.
If थाने में कोई एक group है जो ऐसे करवा रहे हैं, they are pretty much okay.
Right.
And it's a very personal journey क्योंकि in homeschooling, as we know, we try to replicate the school system within the home, and it is based on our child's interest. So every child is different. In that way, every curriculum becomes different, and since it is taken up by their parents, so in every way it becomes very personal.
Understood.
Although they interact socially sometimes, but it is very personal. So वो group बहुत बड़ा होता नहीं है. It always stays small. But in last, I would say like 1.5 year, 2 years, especially in Mumbai, I have seen the number of parents getting interested into homeschooling, and then later on, I also came across many other type of alternative education like unschooling, world schooling, travel schooling. So this became a quite a topic for discussion for parents. And then I also followed the trend that in my group, which I created as homeschooling, a lot of parents who are practicing different kind of education are joining in. So then I felt, okay, homeschooling is just a kind of a leaf of a very big branch. So there are also a lot of things that we can explore. So then I started exploring, and then I gave dedicated time to understand, okay, if I am thinking this for my child, I have to do something for other children also. So then I started giving dedicated time because my passion is filmmaking. I have started making documentary films on this subject, and I have my own initiative through which I spread awareness about alternative education.
Got it. Got it. Thank you. So let's get into the present situation. This has been a long journey for you, and you have sort of brought in your own experience and wanted to push this further. And also, you have given us the experience that you had in Mumbai. Now, let's get into the present situation wherein we're seeing in the homeschooling community, we're seeing lots of parents coming in because of the lockdown situation saying we don't know what the future is going to be like. Even when and if the schools open up, we don't know how it's going to be. So tell us how this homeschooling can work. What are the curriculums, timetables we should follow? So how could you sort of give them a brief about where they can start?
See, there are two things. One, parents who are confused, they fall into a different category. We need to give them clarity about education, not about homeschooling. And the second category of parents who have some knowledge about homeschooling and they have decided that I will go for homeschooling, they fall into the different category to whom we can serve how to go for homeschooling, the routine, the syllabus, the future of homeschooling. So these are the two categories that we have to broadly discuss about. So coming to the first category, जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि their children are in mainstream school and they are super confused about the future of education and their child. So for them, the best suggestion from my side will be to wait and watch. I mean, if the children are happy in their school, there is nothing to worry about. I mean, school band ho chuka hai, we are under lockdown. That doesn't mean that I have to take my child out from the school and I have to put him to some other experiments, because ये एकदम ही अलग है. These are different world. When you talk about homeschooling and alternative education, they are different world. So we have to understand that world before putting our child into that world. अगर बिना जाने हम उस पे हमारे child को डाल देंगे, it may result in a very bad situation. ठीक है. So parents whose children are in mainstream school, for them it will be a wait and watch game. School will reopen, and if their children are pretty good, pretty happy in the school life, and they are not having trouble, any sort of trouble, and their parents are well fixed. I mean, like very many parents are very clear about what they want to give their child in the future. Like, I want my child to be like this. I want my child to be like this. For them, schooling is the best way. Now, coming to the second category, where parents are confused and parents have this idea, you know, my child is having some trouble in the main schooling, and I have been exploring this all kinds of alternative जहाँ से मुझे होम स्कूलिंग अच्छा लगने लगा है और मुझे लग रहा है मैं होम स्कूलिंग कर पाऊंगा. For them, the thing is that homeschooling is kind of a replication of the mainstream school, where we follow a kind of a syllabus in the home. That syllabus can be made by the parents himself or herself, by father or the mother, or they can take an external help. There are a lot of people who are working as curriculum makers for homeschoolers. They design an entire month's curriculum for the child, which the parents make sure that their child goes through. But in case of homeschooling, if both the parents are working parents, then it becomes very tough, because in case of homeschooling, one of the parent have to give a lot of time to the child and have to make sure that he is doing the home-based curriculum very happily, and he is getting all the essential things जो उसको देना चाहिए. अगर वो एक, like in case of homeschooling, he is going to stay a lot more time within the home. So उसका जो पेयरिंग होता है उसके बारे में पेरेंट्स को अलग से प्लान करना पड़ेगा. बच्चा खुद नहीं कर पाएगा, उसको प्लान करना पड़ेगा. तो वो पेयरिंग कैसे होगा, सोशलाइज कैसे होगा, बाकी लोगों के साथ कैसे जाएगा, रास्ते पे जाते हैं तो काफी सारे चीज देखते हैं. अगर होम स्कूलिंग कर रहे हैं तो वो कम हो सकता है, उस चीज को इक्वली कैसे बैलेंस किया जा सकता है. सो देयर इज lot of extra social based things will add up in the curriculum if they go for homeschooling.
Got it.
So that's the thing. I mean, there are two categories, and we have to make sure that they are clear about what they want to do.
So let's look at the people who are in the wait and watch mode, who are just waiting for the schools. What I've seen is there are a lot of activities like online classes. Like I know you yourself conduct photography classes, there are art classes, there are singing classes. Would they be able to avail these classes? Is that a good suggestion for them?
See, online classes, I would say also there are pretty different kind of online classes, but in my exploration of online technique of teaching students, I say that the parents have to be very clear कि वो कहाँ अपने बच्चे को push कर रहे हैं for the online education. The online education has to be interactive. Point number one. It can't be one-side consumption of the content. Like for example, if I say, for example, Byju's. Byju's is a one-sided learning process where there is a recorded material or content that is coming out, and the child is consuming it. Suppose the child doesn't understand anything, immediately he can't interact with the facilitator or the teacher.
Right.
So in case of online, we have to make sure कि कहाँ पे ये बच्चा interact कर पाता है immediately, just like a classroom.
Right.
कि classroom में मुझे कोई problem हो रहा है तो I can raise my hand and I can ask the teacher, sorry, can you repeat this once more?
So,
I am not getting it.
So basically, even in this whole online activities marketplace, there are sort of different offerings. You're saying there are more interactive and useful offerings, and there are just video storages of old classes.
Yes.
So we need to be careful there as well.
Yes. So those who are working in this field, like those who are giving a good kind of education, so they have come up with a lot of examples. Like, for example, if I want to, if I want to tell a child that how volume works, if we put heat to a volume or a air, it will expand. So they have come up with simulations where the child can simulate all these experiments on screen. So instead of just observing what is happening on the screen, कि मैं ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ कि जब हम उसको हीट देंगे तो वो एक्सपैंड होगा, उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स और जोर जोर से हिलने लगेंगे and there will be blast. Let the child interact, let the child increase the heat, let the child experience if I increase the heat how it will expand. सिर्फ ये नहीं कि बस वो बोले जा रहा है और दिखाया जा रहा है, मैं सिर्फ उसको देखते जा रहा हूँ.
Understood.
So that interaction has to be नहीं तो फिर उसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. It's just like I'm watching YouTube videos
Got
and
it.
that's it.
Another thing what I wanted to speak to you about is the sort of kits and sort of learning materials that we have. These starts with games and electronic kits and other do-it-yourself sort of kits. How do you see these? Are these also a sort of marketplace?
Yes, I mean, see, previously it was like a way of playing. Uh, we know about Lego and we know about puzzles. It was like a way of playing. But right now, because of this evolution of knowledge and information and how things are being designed, redesigned, the perspective towards the game is changing. Now, parents want their child to play with such a thing which also has an educational value,
Educational value, right?
which also gives them something additional to their motor nerves, to their sensory organs. So parents have also become concerned. So now when parents become concerned, their direct demand falls on the sales.
Got
So
it.
when sales is concerned, that thing hits the production. So if I am someone who is providing a product for learning, that feedback will come to me. You know, parents are demanding this kind of a thing. You just cannot sell a toy. So now I have to rethink, okay, parents are thinking like this. So I have to recreate my product in such a way which has some educational values. So this is how the entire thing has changed, which is very good. And parents, I mean, in this kind of a situation where the world is under lockdown, parents can bring in such things for their child, which is very good. I mean, all the time keeping them with the education or with the learning process is
Understood.
also may become hectic at this situation because वो अपने दोस्त से भी मिल नहीं पा रहे हैं. There is no recreation time, there is no
Correct.
happy time, just jumping time.
I think
So we
that's
have to.
kind of what I wanted to come to next. Like, how do you, like, in the longer term, before lockdown, how were you handling recreation? Do you fix a time for recreation along with your study curriculum in regular
See,
homeschooling?
for my child right now, my child is very young. Okay, he is just 4 years old. So I have let him play all the day. So my idea, my mind is still into fix that whether I should go for homeschooling or unschooling. My personal idea is to go for unschooling, but my wife has some other ideas. So we are still not yet to a point where we'll decide what exactly we want to give to a child. So we have kept him free. We have also made him admission in a kindergarten. So if he wakes up and if he wants to go to kindergarten, he goes. If he is not feeling about going, we don't push him for anything right now. And till the age of 6 or 7, I have my mind that I am not going to push him for anything in particular. Let him hang around, let him taste everything. If he wants to just stay at home, let him stay at home. If he wants to, if कुछ कुछ ऐसे दिन आते हैं कि जहाँ पे वो बार बार बाहर जाना चाहता है, तो let him go out. Right now the situation is different, but in a normal situation, I follow the curriculum like this.
Got it, got it. One more thing I wanted to speak to you about, Saurav, is the sort of differences between conversations and transactions. This is a big issue when you come to later part of a child's life, wherein the parents expect a certain things from their children, like
Hmm.
obedience, discipline, or which subjects you want to study. And when they go and ask the child doesn't respond the way they want. So, can you talk a bit about the psychology of conversations instead of just robotic transactions?
Yes, Yes, the one of the main reason that our mainstream education is failing is because of this. We are giving fixed instruction to the child what to do, how to speak, how to act, how to react. So there is no independent thinking that our children are developing. So unless and until हम अपने बच्चे को independent thinking, critical thinking, ये सब सोचने के लिए मजबूर ना करें या सिखाएं या तो थोड़ा सा पुश ऑन ना करें, तो वो जवाब नहीं दे पाएगा. आई मीन देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे अगर ये एक मिस एंड मैच वाला होता है कि ओके दिस सिचुएशन हैज कम सो आई हैव टू आंसर लाइक this situation I don't know, so I won't be able to answer. This is what is happening with our maximum children. So the parents have to make sure if my child is going to the school, we should involve him in some activities which will give them the idea of problem solving, critical thinking. Then only in such situation which where you were saying, you know, उनके पास जवाब नहीं होता है, उनके पास जवाब तब होगा. And
Understood.
as parents also, we are very much afraid of failure. So we always push our child for the best. You know,
Understood.
we also have to understand that we need to give them the taste of failure. Then only they will go for a new option.
Understood.
If they always get the best apple, they will never try anything else. We have to
Understood.
give them a bad apple so that we can tell, okay, go and try some other food also. There are so many fruits. So that's the concept. We have to give them a bad thing so that they can try something new.
Try something. Got it. Uh, and one more thing I wanted to talk to you about, Saurav, is the whole idea of certification. Now, what happens
Hmm.
is, kids as early as 3 or 4 years old are being pushed into schools with the only idea that they should get the 10th and 12th certificate as early as possible, and then, do away with learning altogether. So, and right now we have seen that over the past years, the government of India is bringing in NIOS. Could you help us a little bit with that? How homeschooling and NIOS work together?
See, I will give you a very brief of NIOS. NIOS started for children who are either specially able child or who are into like very much into the extra curriculum, like into sports, maybe acting, this kind of a things, and they don't get time to go for the mainstream or regular school. So for them, the government of India came up with this idea, कि, ठीक है, they are differently able child or they are doing something extra, or so for them, let's design something where they can go at least and have some examinations and they can have certificates. So it started in that way, but slowly they felt कि lot of parents are opting out from mainstream school and they are looking for 10th ka exam, 12th ka exam and certificates and all those things. So they have modified the curriculum or their system, and now they're offering like from class 3, 5, 8, 10th and 12th examinations, and they also give certificates for that. So right now, uh, uh, kids who are not going to school regularly, they can opt for NIOS, and also kids who are into different kind of like work, like जैसे मैंने बोला स्पोर्ट्स हो सकता है, एक्टिंग हो सकता है, या स्पेशली एबल चाइल्ड है, वो भी इस एग्जाम के लिए जा सकते हैं. So this is specifically made for them, but it is as par to any exam equivalent to class 10, 12, and it
Got it.
has been recognized by the government of India. So it is at par.
Got it. Got it. Thanks a lot, Gaurav. This is the broad perspective of homeschooling that I wanted to understand. I thought audio video and then we can sort of relay it together.
Because I am wearing a sleeveless t-shirt, I thought it's going to be only audio. नहीं तो मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ अच्छा कपड़ा पहन लेता.